Like clockwork, the latest GoPro has arrived in time with the international launch here in India. For 45,000 Indian rupees, the Hero 12 Black will capture and stabilize your shots way better than the Hero 11 Black did last year. It's all down to software tuning and squeezing every single processing power out of the GP2 processor. The tuning starts from battery life. With the same Enduro battery, the GoPro Hero 12 Black is touted to run 100% more than the Hero 11 Black in 5.3K and 4K capture. GoPro says that they got 35 minutes on the Hero 11 Black and 70 minutes on the Hero 12 Black on 5.3K at 60 settings with the same processor and battery in both devices. We'll be sure to test that in our full review. However, it doesn't stop here. You can record HDR videos as well now on 5.3K and 4K settings. HyperSmooth 6.0 is better and smoother than before. You can also switch to linear plus horizon lock built-in digital lens to keep your footage steady even if your camera rotates a full 360 degrees during capture. It's using the same 8:7 sensor, which means you can crop in at 16:9 and 4:3 or use the full 8:7 aspect ratio for your shots. Thankfully, the much-needed 9:16 aspect ratio videos can also be captured directly from the GoPro without turning the camera around. Now you can jump off a plane and not worry about Instagram cropping your head. You can also capture time warp, time-lapse, night-lapse and night effects in 8:7 FOV. Now to the best part. You can connect AirPods or any Bluetooth headset to your GoPro and record the audio from that source. So your GoPro can be hanging for dear life on the rear bumper and you can capture your voice from the calm of the cabin. Last, the most awaited feature on the GoPro. The GP log encoding is available with LUTs, and if you're a professional thrill seeker, then the GP log is GoPro's trump card to provide tonal customization and color correction in post. It also supports 10-bit color. There's also a desktop version of the GoPro Quick app coming to Mac this year and Windows next year. The GoPro Hero 12 Black also supports wireless timecode sync for an unlimited number of Hero 12 Black cameras for easy multi-camera editing with Final Cut Pro, Adobe Premiere and other editing apps. That's pretty much the upgrades to the GoPro Hero 12 Black. Physically the dimensions are the same, so all previous mounts and accessories work with this camera too. The only change is that you also get an integrated January 4, 20 mounting thread between the mounting fingers. The GoPro Hero 12 Black is available for 45,000 Indian rupees and the GoPro Hero 12 Black Creator Edition is for 65,000 Indian rupees.